This is the year for you to grow a successful vegetable garden. It's so fulfilling and it's so healthy. And then to bring that into the kitchen or back to your grill and eat that food that you've grown from a tiny little seed, to be able to pick hundreds of cherry tomatoes off a cherry tomato plant and create meals for yourself and for your family. There's nothing like it. It's the most wonderful thing in the world. And there are steps. It doesn't just happen. You have to prep the dirt. You have to think about what you want and how you're going to arrange it. And you have to find the plants, buy the seeds, buy the plants. And then you have to plant them correctly and water them and mulch them. And those are things that I will show you how to do. We are filming 24 segments that are out in the garden. Everything that is going to get your garden off to the start it needs to be producing wonderful harvest all summer long. Gardening is such a relaxing, therapeutic, healthy thing to do. Go out and cut off, a half a dozen pieces of kale leaves to put into a soup or your smoothie. Dig up the carrots, scrub them, and put them on the grill. Every time I'm in the garden, it's peaceful and it brings me joy.